everybody, it's Dan Ball again, and I'm still a knothead. And well, guess what? I screwed up again. I was trying to cut this bevel right here, actually on this side, and it tipped the table the wrong way. Left that big old kerf mark there in the top of my project. So I figured this would be a good time for a quick tip. My plan for fixing this is pretty simple. I'm just going to take this little bit of scrap here, and I'm going to slice off a piece that'll be probably just a little bit wider than the kerf I left in the top of the project, and I'm going to glue it in, paying attention to the fact that I want the end grain up because it's end grain where the kerf starts. So here we go. Let me fire up the dust collector and we'll get going. Okay, so after a little messing around off camera, here's what I've got. Got a little pieces here wedged in. Grain in the appropriate direction. You see long grain, end grain, end grain. Yeah, you couldn't see that, but that's okay because it's there. Now what we're going to do is just cut them off flush after we glue them in. Okay, I'll glue it into place. Time to bust out the flush cut saw. And you probably could wait until the glue sets up for this, but I don't have that kind of patience. So we're just going to nip these right off here. Maybe. And there it is, flush cut. A little sanding, a little paring with the chisel here on this chamfer, and we'll be right back into shape. Well, they say that the difference between an amateur and a pro in woodworking is a pro knows how to cover his mistakes up better. If that's the case, I'm going to be a pro in no time. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure and give me the thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends so that they can maybe enjoy it. And while you're at it, check out my website. It's brand new. It's www.KnotheadsCNY.com. Thanks for watching.